Strap in and get ready to test your knowledge. Today we're going to test our knowledge on 6th grade science quiz. We've got 30 questions here, and of course you're trying to get the best mark that you can, an A+, and to do that you want to get 27 to 30 of them correct. Okay, let's crack on and see how we go here. What is the continuous process of moving through the environment, of water moving through the environment called? Is it the water loop, the water cycle, or the water circle? Great work if you chose water cycle. You were on your way to getting lots of these correct. Question 2. What force pulls objects towards the center of the Earth? Is it friction, magnetism, or gravity? If you chose gravity, then you're doing really well. That's awesome. Right, let's go on to question number 3. What are the building blocks of matter? Are they cells, atoms, molecules, if you chose atoms, you're 100% correct. Let's look at question 4. What process do plants use to make food? Is it digestion, photosynthesis, or respiration? If you chose photosynthesis, you really know what you're doing when it comes to science. Let's try the next question. How many planets are in our solar system? Are there 8, 9, or 10? There are 8 recognized planets in our solar system. Let's go on to question 6. What are the 3 main states of matter, or main phases of matter? Are they solid, liquid, gas, steam, ice, or rock, water, air? If you got solid, liquid, and gas and you remember something about the phase changes that happen, well done. What is the flow of electric charge called? Is it voltage, electricity, or magnetism? The answer here is electricity. Electricity is the flow of electric charge. Right, question 8. What is the basic unit of life in all living organisms? Is it cells, DNA, or is it RNA, which I kind of have clicked that one off already? What is the process where natural forces wear away rocks and soil? Is it called sedimentation, erosion, or evaporation? Okay, if you put down erosion, then you really do know something about earth science. Well done. Okay, question number 10. We're a third of the way through. How many have you got right so far? What organ pumps blood through the human body? Is it the brain, the heart, or the lungs? Well done if you remembered that the heart is the organ that does the pumping of the blood. What is the speed of light? Is it 300,000 miles per hour, 186,000 miles per second, or 50,000 miles per minute? The correct answer is 186 miles per second, which actually is equal to 300 million meters per second. What are the preserved remains of traces of ancient organisms called? Are they fossils, skeletons, or artifacts? The impressions left over many millions of years are called fossils. What causes earthquakes and volcanic activity on Earth? Is it the tectonic plates, ocean's currents, or Earth's rotation? Tectonic plates, ocean currents, or Earth's rotation? The movement of the tectonic plates across the surface of the Earth is what causes earthquakes and volcanoes. What happens to the air pressure as you go higher in the atmosphere? Does it increase? Does it decrease? Or does it stay the same? If you worked out it decreases, then you are correct here. Well done. Question 15, halfway now. Through which medium does sound travel fastest? Is it air, water, or solids? So what medium do sound waves travel faster through? If you put solids, you're correct. Now the particles are closer together in solids, so they transfer the energy a lot quicker. Okay, question 16. What is the process called where cells divide and grow and repair the body? Is it mutation, mitosis, or photosynthesis? This process of cell division is called mitosis. Question 17. Which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? Is it the law of gravity, or the law of inertia, or the law of conservation of energy? It's the law of conservation of energy that says that energy can neither be destroyed or created, only changed. Question 18. What happens to light when it passes through water or glass? Does it reflect? Does it refract? Or does it accelerate? So that's reflects, refracts, or accelerates. It's refracts, which is the scientific word for bending when light travels between two different mediums. Question 19. What causes the Earth's changing seasons? Is it A, the distance from the Sun, B, the Earth's tilt on its axis, or C, the Earth's speed of rotation? So of course the Earth's tilt on its axis that orientates different parts of the Earth, either the southern or the northern hemisphere, closer or further away from the Sun at different times of the year. What causes the different phases of the Moon? Is it the Earth's shadow, the Moon's rotation, or the Moon's position relative to the Earth and the Sun? It's how we view the Moon in different positions in relation to the Sun that affects how much light is reflected off it and its phase. Question 21 now. What carries genetic information in living organisms? Is it RNA, DNA, or proteins? So of course the part of our cell that's responsible for storing our genetic information is the DNA. Question 22. What is a community of living organisms interacting with their environment called? Is it an ecosystem, a population, or a habitat? Of course, the answer here is ecosystem. Well done if you got that right. What tiny microorganisms are not living? Are they viruses, bacteria, or algae? So viruses, of course, are not living because they don't reproduce themselves. They use cells to reproduce, to do the reproduction for them. Which of the following is a simple machine? A pulley, a computer, or a hammer? Of course, it is a pulley that is a simple machine. A computer is a more complex machine, and a hammer is not a machine. What organizes all known elements based on atomic number and properties? Is it the periodic table, the elemental chart, or the atomic list? Periodic table, element chart, or atomic list? Of course, the picture here is a picture of the periodic table. Okay, question 26 now, only 5 more questions to go. What force resists motion between the two surfaces in contact? Is it gravity, friction, or magnetism? If you put friction down, then you're correct. Well done. In which layer of the atmosphere does weather occur? Is it the troposphere, the stratosphere, or the mesosphere? The layer of air closest to the Earth is the troposphere, and that is where the weather occurs. What is it called when animals or plants change over time to better survive in their environment? Is it mutation, or adaptation, or evolution? The correct answer here is adaptation. 2 more questions to go. Okay, question 29. What are the 3 ways heat is transferred? Are they radiation, vibration, conduction, or conduction, convection, radiation, or convection, reflection, radiation? Of course, the 3 ways that heat is transferred is conduction, convection, and radiation. Okay, our last question here. How long does it take for the Earth to revolve around the Sun? Does it take 24 hours, 28 days, or 365 days? When the Earth revolves around the Sun, that is of course an orbit, and it takes 1 full year or 365 days. This is the last question. Well done, you've finished. If you've got 27 to 30 right, you've done amazing. You've got an A+ there. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to recommend to others, to like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.